Hi, in this video I will show you how to download and install JDK and set up Java Home and BinPath. First, you need to go to Oracle site. I will put website in video description. Find your operating system. Mine is Windows 64. Click here and wait until it's downloaded. So after it's done, click on it and install JDK. Installation is very easy, and after it's finished, go to your program files. This is C, operating system, program files, and find Java. Here it is. So this first folder shows which version of JDK did install. So we need to copy this address. Copy address. Now go to a search tab and write down edit the system environment variables. I will write it down in video description. Go and environment variables. So we need to make in system variables Java Home. Click here on the new. Write down Java Home. I will also write it down in video description. Copy, path the last copy. Click OK. That's one step. The next step, we need to make new path to bin. So go back to your Java folder. Now go in bin folder. So copy this address, go back to environment, go to path and click here new, paste the address, click OK, OK and OK, and that's it. If you want to check did you install JDK on your Windows, 5C command prompt and write down Java version and hit enter. So here is Java on our Windows. If you don't see good what did I wrote here, I'll write it down in video description. Don't worry. If you have any questions, write down in comments. I will answer very fast. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.